Akala ko ang Tarsier nasa Bohol, nasa Baguio na pala.
Hi everybody, I just got home. Guess what I'm gonna do today?
Wait lang. This I got from the market. I have quail egg, carrots, baby corn, another baby corn, zucchini, broccoli, mung bean sprout, shiitake, bell pepper, tea. I don't know what kind of tea that is, but yeah. And this pasalubong. Ito naman, I bought 5 of this for Tita Babes. And this, I'll give to Banitang going to LU. We have shrimp. First thing I'm gonna do is mug lunch. It's already 12:30 and I'm hungry. I'm starving. And because I just got home from church, mag-iinit na lang tayo. We still have carbonara here. We'll use the paryok. Now, while I do that, I will wash the dishes. Yung init tayo ng carbonara. Here, carbonara for lunch. Sarap. Luto to ni Tita Mitch. Sarap. Mamaya na tayo. Mag-lunch muna ako. I'll see you in a bit.
Wow, so yan, nakatapos ko ng mag-lunch. Magluluto na ako. Prepare muna ako ng ingredients. So here it is. Hold on. Yan. Yan. Okay. Para may pang hapunan tayo. Because Papa is not around. Siya yung nagluluto sa amin. Okay. So yeah. Huh? Sorry. My brain is not braining. So here's my ingredients. We have baby corn, peas, bell pepper, broccoli, shiitake mushroom, carrots, and zucchini. We also have here mung bean sprout and shrimp. Yung here, itlog pugo. 5 minutes for hard-boiled egg. Dalawa lang. Sorry guys, natututo pa lang sa buhay. Ganda. Ay. Ayan. Babagyan lang siya. Don't you think this is satisfying? This is my favorite part sa kusina. Prepare ng gulay kasi I'm craving stir fry. Yung buhay. Do this. Yun. Anyway. Going team. Let's do the broccoli. Zucchini. Like this.
Okay. Guys, don't forget your sibuyas. Frying.
Wok. Tulog na mantika.
Yung bin. Yay, ang sarap.
Harap, ate. Harap talaga. Harap.
Masarap naman siya. Yung gulay hindi niya hindi overcook. Medyo ano siya, yung crunchy pa siya. Narinig mo? Crunchy pa. Pwede ka lang mag-asawa.
Ay, ala.